Hey everyone, so just real quickly, kind of a mess here, but I'm gonna show you some of the knives I've been rotating through. Don't often really carry these in public just because there's really no need to, but for around the house work, that kind of stuff, you know, I'll show you what I've been rotating through lately. It's always, you know, I start with my large Sabenza. That gets a lot of the heavy use work. Been using the small micarta one a little bit. I like to carry the Emerson HD7 serrated one I have, but I'll say that the grind method they use here, it really kind of sucks for a lot of things you want to do. It, you know, you can be opening a box, you can hit the tape or the box just at the wrong angle and the blade will slip. Or if you're opening a bottle or something with it has a wrapper over the top, it can easily slip, and the serrations are just a little hard to deal with. You don't have a lot of flat cutting surface here. Yes, I knew that when I bought it, but it's not as practical to actually use. Been playing with this one. It's Kershaw. Unique color. It's kind of fun. It's easy to pocket and carry around. Fun to flip open. It's a little bit hard to, you got to get the angle just right to flip it open, but it's really sharp. You know, honestly, when I am out and about and I think I might need a knife or just want to carry something, I often bring one of these little knives, just a folding old style Swiss Army one. Not too bad. Had my Strider out recently. This is all in the last month or so. Got some heavy use into that, sharpened it up pretty good. Definitely some wear on that. Had my Benchmade 940 out the other day. Got this thing going. I think someone asked me, left a comment, if the springs inside of it, the Omega springs I think they're called, if they ever broke. And I've never had any Benchmade Omega springs break on me from long-term use. I received one knife where it just didn't work out of the box. I have an old video on that. That was the out-of-box broken issue. Once I got good knives confirmed, I never had any issues with them. Got Microtech Delta out. Some use on there. I haven't been carrying this one too much lately, but a little bit. It's kind of fun to play with. It's a little bit hard to open up. It's kind of uncomfortable. I've had this one out. Actually, I was just playing with this one. I haven't really carried it at all. Kershaw Andrew designed. Low cost one. It's kind of heavy. If I'm picking on things today, I guess I'll put that one away. That's where I store my some of my knives. Got a paramilitary. I had no idea these things were so rare. The paramilitary too. People seem to be struggling with getting them. This is a plain one that I have. Actually pocketing the carbon fiber one today, which is just ridiculously sharp, awesome light. You can go back and look at my videos on that one. Get out one of my slicer grind hinderers to play with. Thought about carrying it later today around the house. We'll see. It has a little bit of wear, not too much, very, very little. So we'll see. That's been my rotation lately. Put this one back. So let me know if you have any questions.